Hi fans, welcome to our DIY hair care series. Today we are exploring the benefits of rice water for hair growth. Rice water is a traditional beauty remedy that has been used for centuries to promote healthy, strong hair. So currently right now my little baby girl is 1 year and 6 months and you can see how lovely thick her hair is. Rice water is one of the best hair treatments I also apply on her hair, and it gives me a best result. So let's dive into how you can incorporate this natural treatment into your hair care routine. First, start by getting your rice, a white or a brown rice. You get a bowl or a jar, a strainer and a spray bottle. First, start by rinsing the rice under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. After rinsing the rice, place the rice in a bowl or a jar and add water to it. You are going to let this soak for about 20 minutes. This allows the nutrient to infuse into the water. After soaking the rice for 30 minutes, strain the rice water in a separate bowl or a container. You can discard the rice or use it for cooking. So you are going to transfer the strained rice water in a clean spray bottle or glass jar. The next thing to do is to spread the rice water directly onto your scalp and hair, or use a cotton pad to apply it. After applying it, gently massage the rice water into your scalp for a few minutes to enhance blood circulation and absorption. You are going to leave this on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. After the 20 to 30 minutes, you rinse the rice water out with warm water. Follow up with your usual shampoo and conditioner. For best results, use this rice water twice a week as part of your regular hair care routine. So rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals that can support hair growth and improve overall hair health. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video is helpful. If there is any question you need to ask, I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair care tips.